Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Patil. Today we learn electric drive. Learning outcome. Learners will be able to define drive, define electric drive, draw block diagram of electric drive, describe parts of electric drive, state advantages and disadvantages of electric drive. Drive system employed for motion control are called drive. Motion control may be translational, rotational or combination of both. Drive system is basically has a mechanical load, transmission system and a prime mover. Prime mover may be IC engine, steam engine, turbine or electric motor. Electric drives. The system which is used for controlling the motion of an electrical machine is called electric drive. Block diagram of electric drive. Source can be AC or DC used in the system. Single phase or 3-phase 50 Hz AC is mostly used in drive system in India. Power modulator. The device which alter the nature or frequency as well as changes the intensity of power to control electrical drives. It can be classified into 3 types. First, converter. Second, variable impedance circuit. Third, switching circuit. First, converter are used to convert current from one type to another type depending on types of function. Converter can be divided into 5 types: AC to DC converter, AC regulator, chopper, inverter, cycloconverter. AC to DC converter used to obtain the fixed DC supply from fixed AC voltage. AC regulator are used to obtain regulated AC voltage through auto transformer or tap changer transformer. Chopper or DC to DC converter are used to get variable DC voltage through power transistor, IGBTs, power MOSFET, etc. Inverters are used to get the AC from DC through pulse width modulation semiconductor. Cycloconverter are used to convert fixed voltage and fixed frequency AC into variable frequency and variable voltage through thyristor. Second, variable impedance circuit are used to controlling speed by varying the resistance or impedance of the circuit. Third, switching circuit. It is used for running the motor smoothly and they also protect the machine during the fault. Motor which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Motor used in electric drive are induction motor, synchronous motor, DC motor, stepper motor, also reluctance motor according to specification or use. Load can be anything which consumes the power. It is a machinery such as a fan, blowers, pumps, robots and machine which perform a given task. Loads broadly classified as a industrial load, domestic load, agriculture load, etc. Sensing unit. It consists of current sensor or speed sensor. Speed is sensed in the system by tachometer, which is coupled with a motor. Current sensing is required in the system for current limit control. Sensing unit is directly attached to the controlling unit. Control unit. Sensed output is given to the control unit, and in a control unit, sensed output and required output is compared and input command given to the controller for getting the required output. Control unit controls the function of power modulator. The nature of the controller is used according to power modulators used. When semiconductor converter used, the control unit consists of some firing circuit in it. Reflection spot. Why induction motor are rapidly replacing DC motor in electric drive? Take a pause. Write down question on paper or on a notebook. Write down the answer on it. Okay. Answer is, they have lighter weight, lower cost, lower volume, and there is a less restriction on maximum voltage, speed, and power ratings than DC motor, so that induction motor are rapidly replacing DC motor in electric drive. Advantages of electric drives are, it is a simple in construction and has less maintenance cost. Its speed control is easy and smooth. It is a neat, clean and free from any smoke or flue gases. That is, it is a pollution free. It can be installed at any desired convenient place, thus affording more flexibility in the layout. It can be remotely controlled. Being compact, it requires less space. It can be started immediately without any loss of time. It has comparatively longer life. Disadvantages of electric drives: it comes to stop as soon as there is a failure of electric supply. It cannot be used at far off places which are not served by electric supply. The condition arising under the short circuits, leakage from conductors and breakdown of overhead conductor may lead to fatal accident. References are Thank you and happy learning.